Visible. Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, very nice. Are you ready to our learning process? Yesterday in the previous class, we have learned more and more information in the first supplementary reading, which is the lesson here. Yes, Narayanapura incident. As we know that the students were marching and are also the participating in the freedom movement. Okay, children? Yes. You know that everyone students were participated in that movement, in that freedom movement. Okay. So they showed their courage to get the freedom. Okay, children. So in the third lesson, in the supplementary reading, great mortal ever cherished. This topic, this is the new topic. Great mortal. Children, you know what mortal? And Uthatma. Uthatma Bharata. Martyr means a person who dies for a cause. Who is he? Give one word. Yes, martyr. ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಸುಮ್ಕೆ ಸಾಯಲ್ಲ ಅವನು, ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. Martyr means a person who dies for a cause. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸತ್ತ, ಅದರರ್ಥ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಿರ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಚೆರಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಚಿರಾವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಸೇಫ್? ಎಸ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದ SOP rule? Yes. Children, take care of your health. Then, first of all, introduction of the lesson. So, introduction. PDK ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅವರ PDK ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಈ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? We often come to know from the newspaper accounts how our young soldiers aspire to live, underline that word, and die for our country. They are ready to sacrifice, underline that word, sacrifice. Sacrifice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ತ್ಯಾಗ, ಬಲಿದಾನ, ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ profile, underline that word, profile of a young soldier who gave up, underline that word, gave up. So gave up, give up, then gave up, give up, gave up, given up. Okay children, so draw, bitu bidu. Young soldier who gave up his life at the age of 25. People live and die, live and die, but continue to live for even in the hearts of the patient. Sorry, patriarchs. Underline the word patriarchs. Read on to know and cherish the memory of such great souls. So memory ನೆನಪು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರೆಯಲಾಗದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನ್ಫರ್ಗೆಟಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ನೆಹರು, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್, all the leaders we are remembering and celebrating their functions. They are also remembering ಅಂದರೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿ ಆಫನ್, ನಾವು ಆಗಾಗ, ಆಫನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೌ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್, ಆಫನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೌ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್, ಆಫನ್ OFTEN, ಆಫನ್ means now, then, now and then. To know from the newspaper, ನಾವು ಸುದ್ದಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಅವರ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಯಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತರುಣರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯುವಕರು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯುವಕರು ನೇತಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಂಗ್, old. Okay, children, young, old. So in the picture, the young and old sacrifice everything, they are ready. Young soldiers ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನಿಕರು, ಆಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಹಂಬಲಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ದೆನ್ ಲೀವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈ, ಬದುಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬದುಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಗಡಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, thousands on lakh of soldiers were, and also soldiers are always or ever awareness to protect our country. So in the soldiers, the aspire are to live and die for our country. They are ready to sacrifice. They are ready to sacrifice means to dedication. Sacrifice and to dedication. Our country, search for our country, so ready to sacrifice. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ, ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, aspire to live and die for our country. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಉಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸದಾ ಜಾಗೃತರಾಗಿ. They are ready to sacrifice everything. He is a profile. Profile means biodata. Profile means biodata. Then, so the profile of young soldiers. The young soldiers profile means biodata or informations of the young soldiers. They are protecting our country. They are protecting our country. And so who gave up? Who gave up? Give up? Gave up. Gave up ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು. Give up, gave up. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡು. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡು. phrasal verb. You know that, children? Verb and prepositions also phrasal verb. Okay, children? So give, gave up, given. Children, I gave up my bad habits from yesterday. I gave up my bad people from yesterday. So gave up is like at the age of 25. At the age of 25. People live and die. ಜನರು ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಾರೆ. But continue to live for even in the horns of patriots. Patriots ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳು. Traitors ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹಿ. Opposite. The patriot, a person who loves his country or motherland. Who is he? Give one word, suitable word. Yes, patriot. A person who dies for a cause. We call that martyr. You know that, children? Only suitable word, martyr. Martyr means a person who dies for a cause. Yes. So patriot means ದೇಶಪ್ರೇಮಿ. ಯಾರು ತನ್ನ ತಾಯ್ನಾಡನ್ನ ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನನ್ನ ನಾವು ದೇಶಪ್ರೇಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಟ್, ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಲವ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ? ಯೆಸ್, ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಟ್. Read on, know and cherish. Cherish means the permanently we cannot forget. We are always remembering to them. Such great songs. Sound andre Atma, Mahatma. Great sound andre Mahatma. Great andre makle dodadavalla Mahatma. Great songs. The standard like his life slipped away forever as he continued to live on. Children, the sand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮರಳು ಉಂಟು, sand or desert, like this life. ಈ ಜೀವನ like this life. So the sand like this life is slipped away forever as it continued. So what is the opposite word continue? Discontinue. This is a suitable construction of the word. Children, just remember, as it continue to live on. Live. So live dead. The sand like is life slipped away. Slipped away ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಜಾರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು away, ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ. Forever. Forever, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, always. As he continued to live on. Continue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮುಂದುವರಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Live on. Okay, children. So here the so enter the honey-fooding household and a warm smell. So enter the honey-fooding. You know that honey-fooding is a character. Okay, he was one of the soldiers. Enter the honey-fooding household and a warm ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕ warm smile. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, children, look at the picture. So is Honeyfoodin a great patriot and who had lost his country of motherland to dedication to his life. ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಸೈನಿಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆ ಸೈನಿಕರನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅವರ ಮುಖಭಾವ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ and attractive and face is the courageous face. Children, so in the look at the face, so his name is Honeyfoodin household and warm smile will be so beckon. Beckon means call or invite. Children, beckon means call or invite. Okay, children. Then call and do two-step right in. to step right in. But that's all the smile can do as it becomes. So ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಮುಖವಾದ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಬಿಂಬಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚಿತ್ರದ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮೇ ಮೆಮೊರಿ. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ನೆನಪು, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ನೆನಪು. ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎವರ್ ಚೆರಿಶ್ಡ್. Children, we are always remembering to them. Okay, children. So, a memory, painful, brave. Children, painful ಅಂದರೆ ನೋವಿನಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಕರೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ರೇವ್, ಬ್ರೇವ್, ಬ್ರೇವರ್, ಬ್ರೇವೆಸ್ಟ್. You know the degrees of comparison. How many kinds of degrees? Positive degree, then comparative degree, then superlative degree. Children, so brave, then braver and bravest. Okay children, brave, braver, bravest. So bravest. So ER then is comparative degree and EST or PST superlative degree. Children, so look at the picture. So is a smiling face and attractive, and also it shows the picture courage, and he was also naughty. What is naughty? Yes, a person who dies for a cause is naughty. So brave and smile belongs to the 25 years old naughty, the Lieutenant Anifuddin. Lieutenant means ಸೇನಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Lieutenant means ಸೇನಾನಿ. ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೇನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯ ಒಂದು ಬದುಕು, ಒಂದು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ತ್ಯಾಗ, ತನ್ನ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಬಲಿದಾನ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಧೈರ್ಯಶಾಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆಮೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ and try to avoid the pain within the countries and pictures frame. Just from the photograph, Marty, a soldier who dies for the sake of his country. Avert means pain, to get over the sad feeling. ನೋಡಿ, ಅವನ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್, ದುಃಖದ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು, ದುಃಖದ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿ ದುಃಖಿತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವನು. ಅವರ್ ಪೇನ್ that comes from knowing of young life cut short. ಹೇಗೆ ಅವನ ಬದುಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಲ್ಪ. And comes knowing, then you will notice a large picture, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಿತ್ರ, picture and snow crater and mountain peaks. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿಖರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, so ಇದು this is the mountain. Mountain means ಪರ್ವತ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್, ಮೌಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಶಿಖರ, 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 ಇದು ಶಿಖರ, ಈ ಪರ್ವತದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಶಿಖರ. ಆಫ್ ದ sector. Sector means area of kshetra. Sector in Kargil. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ sector place now called sub sector. ಅದರ ಉಪಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಉಪಭಾಗ, area. So Anif in memory of Anifuddin bravery. ಆ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇವರಿ. ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನನ ಧೈರ್ಯತನ, ಶೂರತನ, ದಿಟ್ಟತನ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯಶಾಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಯಾಸ್ ಬಹುಶಃ ಬಹುತೇಕ ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಖಲೀಫಾ. As his friends called him, knew ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು what he would be able to give to the nation. ತನ್ನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. which probably ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹುತೇಕ. ಯಾವುದು? explains why ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವೈ ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್? ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಂगे. ಸೊ ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ memory of Anifuddin, why should we explain about the Anifuddin? ಅನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? Who hailed from a family of musicians. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ಚೂಸ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಟು ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೋಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಟು ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್. ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಜಾಯಿನ್. Then army ಏನು? ಸೈನ್ಯ. Perhaps Anifuddin also knew that life for him was short. ಅವನಿಗೆ was short ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಜೀವನ ಬಹಳ ಅಲ್ಪ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. and so needed underline the word repeatedly, ಪುನಃ, remind ನೆನಪು, himself of his mission. himself ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. one can only surmise means guess wait from a flash card. ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಮಿಂಚುಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಂಚುಪಟ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಮಿಂಚುಪಟ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಂಚುಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ Anybody knew that for only short and needed the repeatedly remind himself of his mission. One can only surmise from a flashcard found amongst his belongings, which simply said, which it lives. ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Fate had ensured that Anifuddin would battle ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕದನ, ಯುದ್ಧ, war, battle. Underline that word today. With the hardships, ಬಹಳ ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ from a tender age. Tender means small. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸು, ಬಹಳ ಕಿರಿಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ, tender age, when he was just 80 years old. Just one tender age when he was just 8 years old. Only 8 ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. 8 years old. 8 years old. Arif lost his father. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ the childhood life of Anifuddin. Children, note this word. Describe describe the childhood of childhood childhood life of Anifuddin. Anifuddin. So Anifuddin, the childhood life of children describe. So first question is you must write a home assignment. Describe the childhood life of Anifuddin. Then Anif lost, you know that lost and lost. LAST lost, LOST lost. What we call? Yes, home form. Lost his father, who had been an artist. Underline that word. An is article. An or indefinite article, though is a definite article. An artist. Oppa Kalavida, associated with the National School of Drama. Rashtriya Nataka Shaleli ಅಥವಾ associated ಆಗಿದ್ದ, left to take care of 3 young boys. Anif's mother Ima Aziz, underline that word, was his mother. Anif's mother was Ima Aziz, a vocal artist and Kalala. So would often have to leave Anif and his brothers alone as she travelled with the performance. Travelled and prayana and performance. Our pratibhe wing of the information and mahiti, broadcasting and prasara, ministry, mantralaya, sachivalaya. Recalls Ema Aziz. Recalls ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪು. Ema Aziz ಅವರು. I had touring job, was out very often, and the kids became responsible ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ getting up and getting ready for school without my having to tell them. I did not have to tell them. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. In so many words, ಅನೇಕ ಪದಗಳು. But my going to work without excuses gave them the message ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸಂದೇಶ, ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. That one's duty is the most important thing in life. ಒಂದು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಅವನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗ್ಲೌಸರಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇದೆ. ಬೇಕನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ವಿದಿನ್ ದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ third paragraph below, some glossary words are here. Just I am reading for me. Within in the confines of picture frame, just from a paragraph. Then Martin means a soldier who dies for the sake of his or her country. Aware Kaki, to get over the sad feeling, Mission, goal or objectives or purpose. Mission, goal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುರಿ, objectives ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳು, purpose ಉದ್ದೇಶ. Surmise means guess, ಊಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Next, in the fourth paragraph, while Hanif's elder brothers Nafisuddin went on to become a teacher, was at the JD Khair School. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹನೀಫುದ್ದೀನ್ elder brother, ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ನಫೀಸುದ್ದೀನ್. he became a teacher and was at the J.D. Taylor School, New Delhi. Where? New Delhi. At the time of prayer, ಆ ದುರಂತದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ his younger brother took to composing music on his cashew. Children, cashew means it is musical instrument. Cashew. Composing ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಂಯೋಜಕ. Composing music on his cashew. ಆ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ, ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? It is an instrument of music. And he would often means now and then, team up with him on the drums, alwa or drum. And the introvert Hanif began to make friends only by the time he was 14 years of age. ಅಂತರ್ಮುಖಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So introvert means ಅಂತರ್ಮುಖಿ, ಒಳಮುಖಿ. Hanif began to make friends only by the time he was 14 years of the age. ಎಷ್ಟು? 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಆ ಯುವಕನಾಗಿದ್ದ ಏಜ್. He would often go out of his way to help people because that gave him a certain kind of joy. Joy ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. In fact, Jacob, this was the quality his senior recounted when they came to meet his infant. Me after his death, explains his mother. ಅವನ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. And he was able to reach out to all. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅವನು ತಲುಪ್ತಾನೆ. Emma mentioned that a 77 years old gentleman who paid condolence ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತಾಪ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕಂಡೋಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತಾಪ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದುಃಖದವನ್ನ ಸಂತ ಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತಾಪ, ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಟು Hanifuddin's house recalled how Hanif had approached him with some ways related to Sufism. Sufi ಪಂಥ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Hanif was so in this Hanif's education life, when he was student, how did and where did and when did learn? Where did he learn in the early life of education? So Hanif was a student of Kerala School in New Delhi and had applied to the army. When he was graduating from Shivaji College, New Delhi, Shivaji College na ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈನಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ in New Delhi. Yet Hanif didn't know much about the army. The only exposure practically my sons had as through the ಮೂಲಕ me, as I had often gone to the forward areas on performance for the armed forces entertainment wing. ಅಂದರೆ ಮನರಂಜನಾ ವಿಭಾಗ, ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಭಾಗ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್. into Indian Military Academy, IMA. IMA means Indian Military Academy. Academy training the gentle Anif was the changed man. ಅನೀಫನ ಒಂದು ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So during those days, I particularly remember him telling me that they had to take the Mussoorie bath at midnight. Children, I suppose it was some kind of cold water bath at midnight. ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತೀ ಶೀತಲಿನ ತಣ್ಣನೆಯ ತಂಪಾದ ಈ ಒಂದು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಾತ್ at midnight. Remember Hema post training and Anif joined 11th Rajput Rifles was posted at Jaipur. So where is Jaipur? In Rajasthan. And then so the Siachen just prior to the Kargil War of 1999. Just you know the children, the incident of Anipudi, the tragedy, and instruments from Delhi form and music group. So yet life of Anip was always ekdam bindas. ಅಂದರೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ekdam bindas, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷ ಡ್ಯಾಬಲ್. ಸೊ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟವಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ in the art and sketched very well, made beautiful pots out of waste material. ಅಂದರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿರುಪಯೋಗ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲೂ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಅನೇಕ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚ್ ವೈ ದ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಫ್ Rifles has army turrets and 11 Rajput rifles made him get all the instruments from Delhi form and music group now called Anip Sir. Children, in this Anip life. 10th paragraph. Why there was not enough time? Rise up. Rise up. Rose up, rise up. So rise up is only rose up, tense form of the word. As you know that, how many types of tenses? So 3 types of tenses: present tense, past tense, then past participle of the word. Rise, rose, rise. Rise, rose, rise. Rise up, rose up, rise up. Ranks had and read another the Anip issues did come to you when the subsector was named after him. As a young officer, Anip had once told his mother how a post and a announcing post had been named after a brave soldier. Of a Daireshali Sainika. Underline that word, brave soldiers. Children, so his bravery does lean on the aid of the cold mountains. Underline that word, cold mountains on the plains, Maidana. A scholarship now exists in his name. His family has started a school in Kulu under Anip Foundations. Children, so in the despite pain and loss, Anip has earned his family a glory that will see them through his years. So it is the pride that has made Imam Aziz politely, like polite, namrate, vinamranagirattu, ವಿಧೇಯನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಧೇಯ ಅವಿಧೇಯ. ಸೊ ಪೊಲೈಟ್, ಇಂಪೊಲೈಟ್. children, polite, polite, polite. So impolite, impolite. Im is a suitable prefix. ವಿಧೇಯ ಅವಿಧೇಯನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, impolite. Polite, decline Indian Army. Compensation, ಪರಿಹಾರ. Offer of petrol pump. Petrol pump. Children. So there are some families whose sole bread corner is gone. They need it more. Children, says this mother of a Marty. Children, you know that great Marty. Was great Marty here? Yes, Alifuddin. Alifuddin was a great Marty. They need it more, says mother of a Marty. Mother of a Marty. Children, some questions are here. Then just write down all these questions about. So 2 marks question, children. Remember, 2 marks question in the supplementary. What did Anif choose as his mission? Why did he do so? Life for Arif in the beginning was never a smooth sailing. Why was it so? The absence of mother from whom taught the children something. What was that? How does the writer describe the introvert Arif? Children, Arif was a young man with varied talents and interests. The illustrate this statement drawing supported from the text. Children, so here the questions are here and write down the correct answer. The share your thoughts and impression of Anif with your classmates. Imagine you had the opportunity of interviewing Anif. Prepare a suitable questionnaire. Write probable. Okay, children. Children, just I have completed 2 supplementary, 1 and 3rd chapter in supplementary for the examination. Just you read this these 2 essays for the examination. If you read again and again, and you will be able to write the correct answer all these questions. So 2 marks questions in the supplementary reading. Children, just remember, not reading for only marks, but you should learn, you should follow of Anifuddin. How did he dedicate his life for the country of mother? ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಪಾಠ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ತರುಣ ಬಾಲಕ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯ್ನಾಡಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಬಲಿದಾನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ತಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗ್ರೋ those qualities. We should have that qualities, and we should follow the qualities, and so we will try and give respect and polite and dedication and patriot to our country, our motherland. Everyone should protect our country, our motherland. So this is the very important, and we should learn these the very one qualities. Okay, children, thank you so much.